Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 100% Working Tech, and this is my first video on YouTube. So if you want to know 5 things about internet is secure or not, watch all video without skipping, and I will give you 3 tips on how we can surf internet securely at the last of the video. So let's get started without wasting time. Never surf internet before knowing these 5 things. Internet is connection of millions of networks connecting millions of computers all over the world through fiber optics cable landed into deep oceans and through electromagnetic waves device without wire called Wi-Fi 2. So hackers can easily hack your computer or smartphones or any computing devices if he knows the IP address of your device and you don't even know it. Hackers can steal your all data and know everything that you have in your device. So I am going to talk about 5 things that you should know before using internet. Never open the link or websites that anyone can send you, mostly in SMS, social media including Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any communication app. If you open it, then they can get your IP address and easily hack your device, and also can spread virus and your device doesn't perform well. Never give password of email, FB, or any social media account or personal accounts including game accounts to anyone, although he says I will give you free money or free diamonds or free. They are frauds. Do you know it is illegal to give password to anyone? So never sign in into websites that you don't know about, and never give password to others such as freegems.com, free gift card generator, etc. They can get your password and know private informations too. Never access dark web, as it is the area in internet that is invisible to search engines and used for illegal trade by terrorist smugglers. It is surf by using Tor browser. If you want to know more about dark web, click on this link. Never use pirated software, as it is illegal. They are cracked free copy of licensed software's use without the permission of software vendors. They can also hack your computer and can also inject different types of viruses. So say no to software piracy. Never download anything from browser unknown websites. If you need apps, then use Play Store, which is from Google. Use YouTube to watch videos and Spotify or Google Play Music to listen to songs in Android phone, and use Microsoft Store in Windows and Apple App Store in Mac and iPhones. So, 3 last tips for safe surfing. Use trusted VPN apps like ExpressVPN, TunnelBear VPN, which can hide your IP address and location so that hackers can't hack or track you easily. Use trusted antivirus like Avast, Avira, Kaspersky. Scan regularly and update if it is available. Always back up your data and files to cloud storage. For instance, in Google Drive you will get UPTO 30 GB for free and 1 TB for some money. You can use Mega App and MS OneDrive too. So hope you guys like my video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't like, you can give me feedback or suggestions in the comment sections below. And if you want to know further informative things related to tech, you can subscribe my channel. I will bring one video on weekly basis. And thanks for watching.